All right, it's Monday, March 25th, just following up on Coinbase. You can see here now it's worked all the way up above the 280 area. I bought the stock here at 269.73. I've been scaling out all the way up to, towards its target, which was in this 276.38 area. Now we're continuing up higher. Like I discussed on previous videos, I mean, I bought it here 269.73. I scaled out at 272, 275.50, 277.50. Now we're up over 280. Good trade on Coinbase. What I wanted to point out here, though, is, why this stock compared to other stocks out there. I follow all kinds of stocks, and just kind of watch their price action, and I kind of know the context. And this is just a classic example. You want to stick with the strongest stocks. It's breaking above the first bar is breaking above the pre-market high. You also have the continuity of a 2-up day that has a target up here. So when you look around to other stocks like Microsoft, that opens up red and continues lower below its pre-market range. And if I looked at the context here, which I haven't in a while, it's just kind of a 2-down continuation. I still see this as kind of pausing in here for a continuation up in the bigger picture. So I'm waiting for, when this stock eventually someday might have an up opening above its pre-market highs, taking out that, daily high and have targets up here. So, it's not a stock today I'm looking to buy. I think, this could end up being a red to green move or below the midpoint of the prior day, but I'll patiently wait for, a type of thing like this where, you have the 15-minute chart breaking above the pre-market highs and also aligning with a daily 2-up that goes to its target. So, just thought I'd point that up. You got stocks like Tesla that had a big strong opening on the first bar, but then didn't follow through at all. If you look at the context of the stock, I know it's down. I mean, just because you track it, it's been in a pretty big downtrend here for a while. So, there's no real reason to be buying that in the bigger picture. I guess if you had a strong move up to start the day above the pre-market, it could have maybe started a weekly move to the upside and you could have given it a shot. This is, once I look at the weekly chart, and I kind of remember this was a big inside bar here. So you don't really know if it's going to, and inside bars can fail. They could break above here and then head lower. They could break down and break up. Those are the better trades when you see the failure and then, you go into the opposite end of the range. So the context really isn't here. If the 15-minute chart wanted to continue higher, I guess you could have given it a shot to see if you start getting that inside bar breakout to the highs. You had a window to kind of move a little higher, but it didn't move anywhere. Again, it wasn't the best stock. So I'm still sticking with the strongest stocks out there, for buys and looking for, good opening price action or good, secondary price action on the day with the second push towards an intraday high type of thing. So just thought I'd point that out, as you look around the board and kind of monitor these stocks. And again, I have a big watch list of stocks. So in that way, I do homework every night and I kind of know the stocks that I'm kind of focused on, that have an opportunity, might open up in a certain way that aligns with everything. So anyway, good trade on Coinbase. Just thought I'd kind of highlight that it did reach its target, did hit at the 280 area. Now that, it's a logical, you're going to get some kind of pause here in the morning after a first move. So we'll see what unfolds for the rest of the day. But just thought I'd kind of highlight the trade and highlight, some of the logic behind, what stocks to follow and track.